Hello guys, welcome to Python Django series. In this video, I explain the Django models prompts. What is the purpose of using Django models prompt? The Django model prompts maps the field of a model class to a HTML page. Let's see it. Let's create a forms.py file inside the student app folder. Forms.py. Let's import from Django.forms import model form. Then I need to import the model classes from .models import. We have two model classes inside the model.py file. One is department, another is student. First, I will import the department class. Okay. Then I define a class which is called department form. Then I pass a parameter model form. Under the root class, I declare another meta class. Then I define the model name, which is department, this one. Then I declared the field's name. In the department class, we have only one field, which is called department name. Okay. Let's go inside the views.py file. First, I import the department form class. That means forms import department form. Okay. Next, I create a function def create. I give the name create department request. Okay. Then I just call the department form class, this one. Then I define a dictionary. The key of the dictionary is form, and the value of the dictionary also form. Okay. Return render. Okay. I use render function instead of HTTP response because I want to render a HTML page. First, I need to request, then I need to pass here a HTML file name, then the dictionary, which is context. That's it. Let's create a folder inside the student app which is called templates, and under the templates folder I create another folder which is called student, and the name of this folder should be similar as the app name. Okay, and inside the student folder I create the HTML file, create dev.html. okay, I just put one HTML tag here, create department, close the HTML tag. Okay, and then I need to place here the HTML file name, create dev.html, and I need to define this folder. I don't need to define the template folder because the Django project can recognize the template folder, and it's the beauty of Django framework. Let's just define the student folder, that's it. And the context dictionary should be transmitted into the HTML page. I use a form tag, HTML form tag, and inside the HTML form tag I use Ginger format, that means the double curly braces. Then I should just put the forms, which is the key of the dictionary, this one. Okay, and then I put an input field. The type should be submit, and value should be submit. Okay, let's go to the URL page, url.py, and I need to create a path. First I need to import this function here, then copy the path and paste it here, and put the function name here, and I give a path which is create dev. The path name should be create department. Okay, let's check it, run the server, and my project is already running. It's running in the server. Nice, and we can see our nice form with a submit button, and the form will not work because we didn't put any logic of form creation. Now I discuss about the form creation. First, go to the HTML page and mention the method which is post, and notice that this is a post request because we want to submit the form data, right? That means we need to define the CSRF token. It's really important for a post request. If you CSRF underscore token, if you don't mention the CSRF token, then the data will not be set. Don't forget to mention the CSRF token. Okay, let's go back to the views.py, and then first I check the request method, request.method post. If the request of the method is post, then just call the department form with the value, that means requested value, request.post, and then I check is the form data is valid or not. If form dot is valid, then I just save the form data, form dot save, and then I just return a message, HTTP response data saved. Okay. If the request.method is not post, then else I just return, I just show a empty form in the page, department, just empty form, nothing else. Let's check it. Okay, let's check the admin panel. In the department table we have only two values, one is computer science, another is computing science. I want to save the cognitive science as well. Let's submit. Okay, post. We did a mistake. Sorry, where is the post? Request.post. Let's check it. Oh, sorry, this is not post, it's post. All of the characters should be capitalized. Let's check it again. It should work. Cognitive science. Nice. And here we can see the cognitive science, the new value. Okay. And now we will perform the same procedure for the other model class, which is student info. Okay. First, I will import the class in the form.py files. Do it and just copy this class and paste it here and change the name from department to student info, and then just put the model name here, and then just define the fields name, all of the fields name, then ID, no, yes, it should be ID, no. Okay, department, age and CGPA, department, then age and CGPA. Okay, let's go back to the base.py file, just copy this function and paste it here and change the function name student, okay, info, okay, and just import the form class here and just change the department form to student form, okay, and then we need to create a HTML file which should be create student.html, okay, then just copy the create department file content and paste it here and change a little bit student info, everything should be same otherwise, and then just put here the HTML file name create student.html, okay, nice. Let's go back to the url.py and just import this function, paste it here, and just copy a path and paste it here and change the function name create student info, it's not create department, it should be create student, and then it should be create student, okay, let's check it. Okay, we have got an error. Let's go inside the forms.py. We have student name, ID, department and CGPA, and here student name, ID, department, age and CGPA. What does it says? The core exception field is unknown fields, department name, student info, okay, we don't have the department name here, okay, okay, let's run it again. I didn't find any error here, maybe it's just interrupt the command prompt and run it again. And let's check it again. Okay, here is the nice form, and we just change the shape of the form, forms.s_p. It's a building styling. Let's check it. Okay, it looks nice. Let's put a student name, maybe James, head field, ID no 675, then department maybe cognitive science, age maybe 24, CGPA 3.80. Let's submit. Okay, data set. Nice. Let's check the student info table. Okay, we can see the new data gems. Thank you for watching, and I hope we will see in the next video. Have a nice day.